So here we are on Anna Maria Island, specifically in Coquina Beach. What's so fantastic about this place is that it's quiet, it's comfortable. It is a tourist destination through some part of the year. Usually when it's a little bit colder up north, we get flooded with people that want to come to this beautiful, beautiful area. But as you can see behind me, this is really what the draw is. We have turquoise, clear blue water. That is a huge attraction for people that want to come visit. We see lots of boats coming here and there, and the behind me is also called Pier Island, so a lot of people will actually put their boats and jet skis up there and hang out on the private island for the day. So it's a beautiful location. It's also right across the bridge from Longboat Key, which we'll talk about that in another video, which is also a very beautiful location. So today we're going to talk about the south end of Anna Maria Island. So there's lots of really cute restaurants there. You're not going to find any sort of chains. There's no McDonald's, there's no Taco Bell, Outback Steakhouse. You're never going to find that on this island. So it's kept very, very small intentionally. So you're going to find local places like Skinny's, which is one of our favorite burger and beer place. Then there's a couple other little locations there, small shops, very quaint. There is a great CVS and Publix for groceries. So over here, you're gonna see lots of more beachfront as well with the white sand beach. There's also lots of parking in this area, and they're building even more parking to make sure that it's accessible for enough people. If you have any specific questions that you really want to know about Anna Maria, since it is such a well-kept secret, please send a comment below and we'll make sure that we get back to you on that. And this is Jennifer Kenna with eXp Realty, a local broker in the area. We sell lots of real estate right here on the island. We'd love to tell you more about that. If you're looking for a rental property or an investment property, this is also a really great opportunity here as well. There's not many hotels, not a lot of large chains, so it's mostly Airbnb and local property management companies. So please reach out, we'd love to help you.